With the rising tensions, it is the oil which has benefited the most here. We have seen a stronger breakout in crude oil last week. See, I mentioned, yeah, last week, I have mentioned last week, and I've been sharing this since long. Whenever, see, first it has formed a double bottom here at 55, and if you see it breaking beyond 65 levels, you can expect the first target towards 70, next towards 72.4, and this time, in fact, it has breached or it has moved towards 75. Can we consider this as reversal? Are we looking forward to another bullish move here in the oil prices, which is going to take it above 80? Or the highs are done, the volatility is high, and we can expect a reversal in the oil prices in the coming week. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I share my twice a day updates and targets for crude oil. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two updates definitely adds a lot to your trading decision. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Remember, towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till the end. First, on the weekly charts, you can see oil has formed a double bottom here, and that point I have mentioned. See, do watch my last few updates or next last few months and weeks. I've mentioned very clearly, as long as 57.8 and 55 zone is not taken, do not trade oil as bearish. What has happened? It has formed a double bottom, and then since then we have seen a good rise retracement. Last week also I mentioned, once it breaches 65, we are ready for a good bull run. What has happened? We have seen the prices hitting all the way towards 75. It has breached the first critical resistance at 70 and now trading above 70, which is a good sign for the bulls. Now notice another point here. Look at the highs here. See, the highs here are beautifully aligned. Though oil has breached the highs here, but it is closed very well within the channel, which confirms, yet I will not say that prices have reversed. It is very important for oil to close above 75 now. And the zone here at 75, 77.4, 78.6 and 80. This is the most crucial zone for oil to break beyond, because this breakout will lead to a reversal path in crude oil prices. And then even if it drops, I think it is going to stay on a buying zone. Even if it tries to show you swings, just buy the dip. So this zone is going to remain very critical, and the coming week is going to remain an important one. See, it has traded bearish for months and weeks, and now it is a time for it to reverse. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic rising, the MACD, if you look at, after forming a good bottom here, it has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This is the first bullish candle. The possibility of next few candles to be in green exists is strong. Notice the drop here, then the rise. Second drop here, moderate retracement. This is the retracement, and now it is breaking out. Possibly this could lead to a breakout run here. Do watch my annual forecast in order to understand the expectations here from crude oil. RSI rising here. Coming to the daily charts, when you look at the daily charts, see what has happened. I have been sharing this in my daily reviews as well. Double bottom, and after forming double bottom, it has seen the rise, then consolidation, and now it has given a breakout. And see what a strong breakout it has given. Now, yes, do watch the last week's update. I have mentioned, see, it is formed, or it has formed a neck here, and thus it should put pressure on the bands to expand. What has happened? We have seen extreme rise here. This is the beauty of technicals. Now here you can see the movement is completely outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why after a single bullish candle we have seen a bit of consolidation here. Yes, it is closed outside Bollinger Bands, which suggests that possibly we may see a breakout. We may see the bands expanding consistently in the coming week as well, which is a bullish indication. But I'll say it has come towards the top of the channel and things are getting difficult here. So now it is important for oil to stay above 75. Once it trades above 75, we can look forward to 75.8, 77.4 and 78.6 at the next targets. And then $80 level should appear. See, on the daily charts, moving averages have crossed over here, and now the support levels are far below towards 63.8. So one thing is pretty clear. Now the resistances earlier should be good support, and now till $68 levels are not taken. When I say not taken, the daily closing has to be below 68. Then you can expect, if it trades below 68, you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Below 68 is where you can expect it to move towards the strongest support zone between 67 and 65. And if at all it trades below 65, you can say now the prices are turning bearish. You can look forward to 63.8. Only and only if oil trades below 63.8, it's a reversal. Else, it is a bullish breakout, and this run should continue here for a while. Stochastic, back to overbought zone. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish, looking upwards, and see it is still got room for a further rise. Though when you see the last few moves here, you can say from these level it tries to reverse, and hence the zone on the upside between 75, 77.4 and 78.6 is going to remain a critical one. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour charts. After the rise here, we have seen a dip, and see it. Since then, it is consolidated. It has stayed in a zone here. You can say on the downside, $70 levels offered it a very good support. On the upside, 72.5 offered it a good resistance. Or rather, I will say 70.5 and 72.5. This is the zone oil needs to break out beyond. If at all it stays above 72.5, you can stay bullish again. 73 and 74 should be there, and beyond 74 this time we can look forward to a move towards 75.8, 76. That's the next level which I'll be looking forward to, and once it trades beyond this, you can expect 77.4 as well. Moving averages started to trade with divergence, staying bullish here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with extreme bullishness, looking upwards. The RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, see, after the crossover in the moving averages, after a while it has crossed over on the sell side. Remember, oil is still staying in this bearish channel. Now this is the time for it to give you a breakout here. See, it has erased all the losses from last couple of months. It has in fact hit the highs, hit the last 4 months highs. We have not seen oil breaking beyond $75 levels in the since last 5 months. See, in January it was trading at 80, but you can see since then it has traded with sharp bearishness. Now 75 is one level it has to break, and then this zone between 75 to 80 is very, very critical for oil to break beyond. Because see, once it comes out of this channel, this is the beginning of the next rise here. Yes, this is the beginning of the next rise, which is going to take the prices all the way towards $100 levels very, very soon. Stochastic, after forming a double bottom, is rising. Good sign for the bulls. The MACD, after staying bearish, now trying to converge. And this I have been sharing since long. Look at the waves here. This wave has stretched a bit. It is time for it to reverse. Let's see, whenever it crosses over, this should be the beginning of the next bull run for crude oil. RSI rising as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch. Invest in your learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those who are looking forward to a trusted partner which can offer you diverse instruments from across the globe, which can offer you swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 72.4, 72.6 zone. This is going to be a critical zone here. If you see oil staying above this, you can stay bullish here. 73.2 is the first target zone, 74 is the next, and if it stays beyond 74, let's move towards 75. Beyond 75, this time possibility will be very, very high. That's 75.8, 76.4, 77.3, and then 78.6 should be there very, very soon. Beyond this, $80 levels should be a certain target which it should aim for. These are uncertain times, and anything and everything is possible. If it can rise sharp, it can correct sharp as well. Keep that in mind. Things are going to remain volatile. Things are going to remain choppy for the next few sessions. Thus, you should be trading with caution. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 71.5 levels, where you can expect 71.1 and then 70.6 levels. If 70.6 is taken, stay short for 70.2. Now this is very, very critical. If at all oil trades below this, stay short for 69.3, $68 zone as the next targets. Below 68 is where the bears are going to be back, and then you can look forward to 67.2, 66.5, 65, and then 63.8, chances for which appears to be very, very low as of now. It has given a breakout. It might stay in the bullish zone for a while from now. A little retracement should not mean a reversal, and thus till 65 is not taken, you can buy the dips here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. But thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.